Want to know how to use Microsoft 365? Well, no worries. So Microsoft 365 contains various features like Word, Excel, and much more. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can just easily use M365 Copilot, which is the Microsoft 365 AI that will help you use all of these apps and also find stuff. So you need to just simply log in first using or visiting the Microsoft 365 website. We have also created videos for that, so make sure to watch it. So now once everything is done, you should be under this interface, and now here you should be seeing Microsoft Copilot opening up. So on the left side you should be seeing your chat that you can chat from, the notebooks, and the things you can create as well. So you can create an image, poster, form, and much more. So on the apps you can see various things like Word, PowerPoint that you can open up just like this, OneNote, Teams, and much more. So you can also buy by selecting Buy Microsoft 365 right here. With all the applications should be there for you. So this is currently only the web version, so you can just simply use all of these for your full potential with some limitations, or upgrade in order to get the full experience. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.